Hello, I'm Nadia Yegorova Johnstone and this is SAT TV. I'm with John from MEASAT. Hi John.
Hi Nadia.
So, could you tell us more about the live demonstration that just took place?
The demonstration is actually a live transmission, 4K live transmission that's actually through MEASAT 3 satellite. What we have done is actually that we have a video player that's played out from our headquarters in Malaysia, and that video feed signal itself is being encoded using MPEG-4, Ericsson's equipment, and the signal further modulated on the satellites of using the new tech DVB-S2X technology. And the signal itself is actually downlinked into Marina Baysands using a 3.7 meter antenna, further demodulated using new tech equipment again, and decoded using the Ericsson's decoder, and displayed on this screen here itself the 4K content. So it's really the first ever Ultra HD or 4K transmission using DVB-S2X over satellite.
Okay, great, thank you. And is the ecosystem in place to make it a success?
My answer to that is a yes and no. Yes, as in there are standards being used to actually help in terms of the compression. You have the DVB-2X here, as well as the HEVC, which is the H.265. That's the encoding part itself. That will help to compress the requirement of the huge, large data for Ultra HD TV.
Okay.
So that's really in place today itself. But I think what is really lacking in the whole ecosystem today itself is really the content itself. And we hope that actually that sports will be the driver itself for this content. Maybe not FIFA, I don't know, maybe Olympics. So that is something that probably we look forward to itself. And the other point to note is actually that everything you do is at the end of the day it goes back to the consumer. So today, if you look at in Singapore itself, you buy a 4K HD TV, so it costs about 7,000 Singapore dollars. So for consumer, you want something which is cheap. So you likely want to see the price reducing until $2,000 to $3,000 before that really starts to pick up itself the demand.
Okay. Do you think Asia is ready for this, considering that it's still transitioning from SD to HD?
I think the transition from SD to HD is rapidly faster than what we expected itself. And I think there is a demand for that Ultra HD itself content. And again, I say that actually it will come from sports. And I think compared with 3D, which is I think at that stage itself was a gimmick. If you view your 4K itself today, it gives you that 3D effect itself. And I think that would be a good replacement for 3D without wearing the glasses itself. It's just a good resolution for you to observe. So I do think that actually that it will pick up in Asia.
And when do you think it will happen?
Okay, from the crystal ball, I would say that actually that it's the driver who actually have to drive it. That's one, so the content have to drive it. And secondly, I guess it's actually the consumer TV itself. The price has to go down. For me, it will take probably about the next 18 to 24 months.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.